Dallasu nije bilo sreće za nas. Englezi su se pokazali tvrđim orahom no što smo mislili. Stadion je nevjerojatan, kompletno zatvoren, klimatiziran, a prima nešto više od 80.000 ljudi. Fascinantno zdanje, ali nećemo ga upamtiti po dobru.
Englezi su bili bolji. Nema tu šta. Bio sam sretan kad je završilo 2-2, smo se uvijek vraćali iz gubitka i mislim, bili su bolji. Šta ću drugo reći?
I'm actually proud of how we played. It could have been a much worse outcome. Livakovic blocked a bunch of goals, so we're excited about that.
Yeah, he played great. Atmosphere was amazing. You know, I felt like we were about 50-50 Croatian and English fans in the stadium, so we had some good energy in our section for sure. A lot of chants and songs.
No matter the result, the fact that we got to spend it with all the Croatians, my best friends here, we came all the way from Los Angeles to be here together to watch the game. That was the best part, honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
The love, the family, the culture. We all, even though we don't know people, we meet people in the streets and we're all connected somehow. It's that underlying bond, being Croatian.
And that we all came from some overseas to be here just to witness Hrvatska play and all in the same stadium and singing all our chants. Man, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Zora, obviously you are a football expert.
Of course. Prediction for the rest of the matches? I think we'll win the next 2 games for sure, and then we'll get knocked out. Unfortunately, but I think so.
Još su minimalno 2 utakmice pred nama i ne želimo da nas ovaj poraz obeshrabri. Kako bismo otklonili tužne misli, posjetili smo susjedni grad Stockyard, mjesto na kojem Wild West i dalje diše punim plućima. Kauboji, kožne čizme, šeširi, konji, kočije, to je ovdje svakodnevni prizor.
Iz one gužve Dallasa pobjegli smo u Stockyard, nadomak Dallasa, mjesto koje pokazuje kakva je Amerika u stvari bila one kako mi zamišljamo da je bilo prije 150 godina. Kauboji, barske pucnjave, žene i naravno gonjenje stoke, longhorn goveda, teških preko tonu. Kaubojski život je bio težak, a mi ćemo vidjeti u stvari što se sve događalo ovdje u Stockyardu.
My name is Molly Gaynor. We are live here in Fort Worth, Texas. And this is Miss Andrea Goodman. Hey Croatia, how's it going? We're excited to be here with y'all tonight. Hopefully you have fun seeing us in Texas. It'll be fun, but just what I'm telling you, baby.
Here in the Stockyards, cowboys, women, comedy gunfight shows, we got it all. We recreate the Old West.
Well, we're back 150 years ago. Cowboy's life is not easy life.
No, a very hard life. It originated with cattle drives after the Civil War in the U.S. Many of those displaced soldiers found their way to Texas and helped create the livestock industry, which was based on cattle drives. One regular day in a cowboy's life was very, very hard. You're up before sunrise and you don't stop until the sun is well set. You're also responsible for watching your cattle overnight, which was always a dangerous proposition with storms and Indians. The salary for any of the cowboys was $1 a day. The average length of a cattle drive was 90 days. So after 3 months on the trail, you got your paycheck for $90.
Whiskey was 10 cents or...
That was, yes, that was the big day, payday for all cowboys. They could buy a horse, they could get a saddle, they could go take a bath, and they could certainly enjoy women and whiskey.
Retirement, no.
No, you only did that to get back to the next cattle drive that you could find, which was return to southern Texas. Many of it did it by rail or by boat, and they would catch on to another crew and do another 90-day run.
The grass trees and do how I just hate you. Please turn those headlights around. Please turn those headlights around.
I'm a tutor on the side. I do education, but this is mostly what I do right here is perform. It's a job like anything else, but it's a fun job, and it's a job I'm passionate about, so that's what makes the difference, for sure.
Do you enjoy it?
I love it, yeah, absolutely. Been at it for 16 years. It's so interesting because you meet so many different people from so many different places, which is really cool. I love that part about it. Now, people do get a little bit over the top sometimes. You have to know how to handle that, but, you know.
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Are we annoying guys?
No. You're good. You're fantastic. And you brought us water. That's huge.
Svake večeri tisuće turista okuplja se na jedinstvenom događaju, rodeu. Ovaj sport Amerikanci nazivaju najopasnijim na svijetu. Svakako zahtijeva puno hrabrosti, no da se nas pita, ne može se ni približiti nogometu. Ipak smo mi Hrvati. Večer zaključujemo u Billy Bob's Texas, najvećem honky tonk baru na svijetu. Prostire se na impozantnih 10.000 kvadratnih metara i može ugostiti 6.000 ljudi. Napunjenih baterija nastavljamo dalje prema New Orleansu. Putem nakratko zastajemo kod Cadillac Rancha, umjetničke instalacije od 10 Cadillaka zabijenih u zemlju. Već 50 godina ovdje dolaze gomile turista i ostavljaju svoje potpise, pa je tako učinila i Patrola.